Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on notifications on the Qatar Airways application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device, and after that go to your home page and click on the menu icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then you should scroll down and click on settings, and here you can turn on trip notifications about check-in, boarding, upgrades and baggage for your flight. Then you can turn on offer notifications so you can be informed and receive notifications about the latest offers and promotions. So tap on the other one, and as you go to the top of the screen you can also see this notifications section where you will be able to find all of your notifications. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.